Oh snap! Sasha in the house with the winter blazer, Christmas blazer, seasonal blazer, whatever you want to call it. This time of year blazer, okay? So we drop that in. Okay, now let's watch this. So he starts off with some hot water just to heat up the glass and some hot water in those little mugs, okay? Some hazelnut pecan syrup, some bitters in there, okay? A little bit of Grand Marnier. It's in a real complicated mix, nice and simple, okay? But we can get to the hot water part, that's the interesting part. Aged rum, okay? Now he pours the hot water out, pours his mix in, and then he pours a little bit of hot water back in one of them, okay? He's just trying to show you exactly what's going on. Add in some 151, heats that bad boy up, okay? All you mixologists out there know about the blazer, look at the fire, that's my boy. Okay, now we get rid of the water, okay, and pour in our mix. Cinnamon stick, okay, comes behind, gets a nice little orange slice, expresses with some fire, drops that in, boom. And there you have it, the what?
The Christmas Blazer.
Okay, tell them about a blazer.
A blazer is a very classic drink created by, if you're into bartending, his name was Dr. Jerry Thomas, which was...
I didn't know all that, but okay.
Yeah,
but
so like he created like a really famous bartending book, and originally it's just scotch, bitters, and like water. And he would serve it to people who were either sick or if the temperature was below like, I don't know what it was, but if it was really cold. And like the idea is you burn some of the alcohol off. It's not burning everything, like don't worry, rum is potent, so it's not gonna burn.
Stop being a damn alcoholic is what he's trying to say, okay?
Just
you can't
relax.
have a ton of booze and everything,
Relax. Yeah, so then, you burn some of the alcohol off, take the edge off, but
yourself.
it's like a warm old fashioned, pretty much.
No, I like it a lot.
Mellow, right? See, it's not too edgy, so everyone can enjoy
Be careful with the fire, homeboy,
yeah,
okay?
fire extinguisher.
Don't do this.
Don't do it. Don't
Actually,
do the damn drink.
No, hold on, but at your own risk, because I'm warning you, you could get burned, okay?
Disclaimer.
No, because you have some dude come in, but tipsy bartender burn my house down. I need 2.5 million. But first, I ain't got 2.5 million, okay? I don't even have 0.5, okay?
Kickstarter.
Yeah, we have a Kickstarter for someone else. Huh? Watch yourself, homeboy. You burn your shit down, it's your fault. But in the meantime, okay, put the matches down. Go check out my boy right here, Sasha, on Instagram, okay? Ask him about his drink. You can ask him questions, okay? What did you put in?
It's the hazelnut and pecan?
Yeah.
Pecan? I don't know, I just crushed them up through it. It made a nice holiday syrup. I'll teach you how to make it. It's so easy.
Yeah, you had a good
Don't worry about the name. That's the thing. People see the name and they're like, oh my God, I have to go, other side of the planet to do it.
Good pickup line. Are you into syrups, ladies? I'm a syrup man.
I got it.
Stay tipsy, friends!